Hello and welcome. Yes, it's been a long time I created for this channel, so I felt it was right for me to create for this channel again. Okay, so I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to let you feel like you've been left out on this channel. I'm still here, but I'm busy with other projects. Okay, so I'm gonna make a quick design with this one standard 4500 by 5400. Okay, by 400. Yes, you guys remember these dimensions. I'm back creating different designs, not just t-shirt design, but for this one I'm gonna be creating a quick t-shirt design for you guys so that you guys can see some fun t-shirt designs for yourself. Okay, I don't want to waste your time. I'm gonna go into this one and create something for you guys. Alright, so I did Ctrl 0 to make the canvas bigger. Now I'm just gonna go to downloads and bring in my elements. Okay, so let me bring in my elements. Alright, so this one is gonna be a simple design, very simple design. We're just gonna bring in this cactus plant, and this is what we're gonna be using for this design. Okay, it's gonna be a very simple design. It's not gonna be complicated at all. So I'm just gonna go to text. Alright, find a fancy text I can use for this one. Or let's go something. Okay, let's see what this one looks like. I'll increase the font size. I don't want to be too small, so let's do 48 or let's do 60. Let's do 60, so let's do org. Right. Let's see how it looks. It's quite small, so do Ctrl C on your keyboard and move the cursor to this edge and just press down your Alt key button, Shift key button, left mouse key button, and drag outward. Okay. Alright. Ctrl Z. There was a mistake on my part. So I'm gonna do Alt Shift key button, left mouse key button, press them down together. Okay, so it says org. Okay, it says org. So now I'm gonna duplicate this org and I'm gonna do Alt key button, left mouse key button, and drag downwards. Okay, so this one is gonna say me. Ctrl A to highlight all and do me. Alright, to a very simple design. You can change the font color to match ideally with your pumpkin. Okay, or with the love. I'd like to match it more with the colors I have here. What I'm do with the eyes. Okay, so go to the org and do same thing. Ctrl A to highlight all, and I'll just match that with the eyes. Okay, so it says org me. You can decide to bring it down. If you don't want all to be in that position, you can decide to just move things around. So let's say we take this up and we'll move the org down. Okay, so it says org me. Alright. Okay, so you can see we have that simple design just there. Now we'll turn off the background because you don't want the background when you create designs. Okay, so we have that says org me. I can go back and just change the fonts or the colors of this one to pink. Okay, something like that. Okay, so we have that. So now all we need to do is save this. Okay, we can move it on a straight line. Okay, so you can have it say org me like so. Just move this a bit to the top. Alright, that looks better. You can increase the size of the plant. Right, Ctrl Z, increase the size. Okay, so now we can press enter. So now you see we have it just there. It says org me. Okay, so now we go to file and save that as. Save as. Remember, you want to save it as Photoshop first so that you can come back to edit it if you need to edit it. But for me, it's just gonna say org me. Okay, so I want it to be in pictures and I want to save it as PNG. Okay, remember it's without the background, so you can put on different colors of shit. So I'm gonna save this right about now, and then we can go over and check it out for ourselves. Okay, so it's gonna be saving right about now. Alright, so we have it all saved up, just on few percentage more, and it's gonna be saved for us to view. Okay, you can see how easy it is. Remember, you want to match colors, you want to match every piece of your design, you want to match them together. Super important. Okay, super important, and these designs don't take you a lot of time. As you can see, we are just about 6 minutes into this design, and you can see it's not much of work done on this one to get out this amazing quality. So if we go to pictures and search for a design now, just search for org me, will definitely have it right about here. Once it loads up, you should be able to see it for yourself. Okay, as you can see, this is it. This is the finished work. As you can see, quite simple, not complicated at all, and we are ready to go. We have our design all set up. Okay, so thanks for watching this one. I will see you on the next one. Stay safe.